Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on algebra, like and unlike terms. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebra. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. And now we have the lesson in the form of some examples. So simplify each of the following by adding or subtracting like terms. Now the word like terms, that expression, like terms, it means that if you have two terms, a 3y and a 5y, for example, this is just a particular example, that's a y and that's a y, and the powers are 1. So because the pronumerals are the same and the powers are the same, they are like terms. You can add them together to get 8y. In a similar manner, 5m plus 2m is 7m, 3k plus 6k is 9k. For the third example, 10m take away 4m is 6m, because 10 take away 4 is 6, and you just put down the pronumeral. For number 4, 15y minus 5y is 10y, 13w minus 4w is 9w. For number 5, 8n squared plus 4n squared is 12n squared. For the next example, we have 7w cubed, and here we have the like term of 2w cubed. Same letter, same power, so that's 9w cubed. And then we write down 3w squared. But you can't bring those together because the powers are different, so they're unlike terms. Over here we have m to the 1, m squared and m cubed, so we just write it like that. You cannot combine those together because they're unlike terms. Over here, 7y plus 6y, so you take the sign directly in front of the like term, so 7y plus 6y is 13y, minus 3k plus 8k is plus 5k. Number 9, 17m take away 4m is 13m, minus 5h minus 7h is minus 12h. 4ab plus 5ab is 9ab. See, they're like terms, same letters and same powers. 2yk plus 3ky equals 5yk or 5ky. Doesn't matter what order. Over here we have, let's have a look where the like terms are. Here we have a 12my. We take away 4my, that leaves us with 8my. Okay, so that's that part. Minus 5mh minus 2mh is minus 7mh, that's that part. And then you have minus 4 at the end. And finally, 2abc plus 3bca plus 4cab. Doesn't matter what the order of these pronumerals are. We have an a, b and a c in each one. So you just add them together to get 9abc. So Maths with Jacob has integrated mathematics, English and music, and we've done that by using the rap song.